Okay, the next one is group 3, and under group 3 there are 3 alphabets. Okay, 3 alphabets are included from the 34 basic Amharic alphabets. 3 alphabets are included under group 3, and the criteria to be included under group 3 are the alphabets needs to have 3 legs alphabets and what? And with horizontal and vertical line, or 3 legs alphabets and horizontal line, or 3 legs alphabets and horizontal line in half circle. If one of the 3 criteria are fulfilled, okay, the alphabets are included under group 3. Okay, they need to have 3 legs and horizontal and vertical line, or they need to have 3 legs and a horizontal line, or they need to have 3 legs and horizontal line and half circle. Okay, if one of the 3 criteria are fulfilled, then from the 34 basic Amharic alphabets, they will be included under group 3. And under group 3, there are 3 alphabets, or 3 alphabets are included, and let us see them. And this alphabet is called what? Ha. Which Ha? Amharic. Previously, we have seen that there are 2 types of Ha. This one, this Ha, and letter Ha, and this one is Amharic. Both of them are similar. Okay, you can use them interchangeably when you write, but when you to differentiate them, if someone asks you which Ha is this one is letter Ha, whereas this one is Amharic. Okay, so Amharic is included under group 3, and the reason is that because what? One, it has what? 1, 2, 3. It has what? It has 3 legs. And the other requirement is that it has what? Here horizontal line, 2 horizontal line, and also vertical line. So since Amharic has what? 3 legs and horizontal line and vertical line, 3 legs and horizontal and vertical line, it is included under what? Under group 3. The other alphabet included under group 3 is called what? Ta. Okay, it's called Ta. You can write as XE to name it. Ta. Okay, to pronounce it. Ta. XE. Ta. Okay, Ta is included under group 3, and the reason is that because it has what? It has 3 legs. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ta has 3 legs, and here horizontal line. It has horizontal line. The number of horizontal or vertical line, it doesn't matter. Okay, it can be 1, 2, 3, but it must meet the minimum requirement. If it has 1, okay. If it has 2, 3, no problem. So the alphabet called Ta is included under group 3 because it has 3 legs and it has horizontal line. Okay, 3 legs and horizontal line. Okay, the last alphabet from the 34 basic Amharic alphabets included under group 3 is called what? Cha. C-H-E. Cha is included under group 3 because what? Because it has 3 legs. Okay, 1 here, 2, 3. It has 3 legs. Then it has here horizontal line, also horizontal line. Then here it has what? Half circle. Also half circle here and half circle here. So it has 3 half circles. So it has met the criteria. It has what? 3 legs, and it has horizontal line, and it has what? Half circle. So the number of half circle, it is 3. No problem. It can be 1, 2, 3. But here, when it is written, it has what? 1, 2, 3. Okay? It has 3. Half circle. So this is called what? Cha. So alphabet called Cha is included under group 3. Okay, the next category is group 4. And under group 4, from the 34 basic Amharic alphabets, 6, okay? 6 alphabets are included. From the 34 basic alphabets, 6 alphabets are included under group 4. And what are the criteria to be included under group 4? Okay, let us see. The criteria to be included under group 4 are the alphabets, okay, needs to have either 1 leg or 2 leg. The alphabets needs to have 1 leg or 2 leg. Okay, the alphabet needs to be 1 leg alphabet or 2 leg alphabet. With what? With either half circle or full circle. Half circle or full circle. 1 leg alphabet or 2 leg alphabet with either half circle or full circle, or with what? Horizontal line or vertical line or diagonal line. Horizontal line, vertical line, or diagonal line. If one of the criteria are fulfilled, then from the 34 basic Amharic alphabets, they will be included under what? Under group 4. Let us see. under group 4 there are 5 alphabets, or 5 alphabets, no, sorry, 6 alphabets are included under group 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let us see each. The first one is what? K. It's called what? K. K-E. If you like K-E, K. Okay, K. K is included under group 4 because what? It has here, it has what? One leg. Then here, half circle. On the left side, half circle. Then on the right side, half circle. So since it has one leg and with half circle, then it is included under group 4. Which alphabet? The alphabet called name. The alphabet name called what? K. Okay. The other alphabet included under group 4 is called what? Yeah. Y-E. Yeah is included under group 4 because it has what? It has one leg here and half circle on its top to the right. Half circle to the right. Okay? So alphabet called yeah is included under group 4. Since it has one leg and half circle, then it is included under group 4. The other alphabet included under group 4 is called what? D. D-E. D. The reason is that because it has here 1 and 2. It has what? 2 legs. Then what? Horizontal line. Here, horizontal line. Then here, diagonal line, and then on the top of the diagonal line, full circle. Okay? It's called what? D. So alphabet called D is included under group 4 because it has 2 legs, a horizontal line, a diagonal line, and full circle. Okay? Full circle. The other alphabet included under group 4 is called what? J. J is included under group 4 because what? Because it has 1, 2. It has 2 legs, then horizontal line. Here it has diagonal line. On the top of the diagonal line there is full circle. Also on the top of the full circle it has vertical line. Then under the on the top of the vertical line it has horizontal line. So since it has met the criteria, because either it needs to have one leg or 2 legs. It has 2 legs with half circle or full circle. It has full circle and what? With horizontal line or vertical line or diagonal line. It has diagonal line, vertical line, horizontal line. Due to this, from the 34 basic Amharic alphabets, alphabet called J is included under group 4. The other alphabet included under group 4 is called what? T. T-S-E. T. Okay, T is included under group 4. And the reason is that because what? It has 1 leg, 2 legs. Because it has 2 legs. Here, diagonal line. It has diagonal line and here, full circle. So since it has 2 legs and full circle and diagonal line, the alphabet called T is included under group 4. Okay, the last alphabet included under group 4 is called what? P. Okay? P-E. P. Or P-H-E. P. Okay? P. It's called what? P. And P is included under group 4 because it has what? 1, 2. It has 2 legs and here a diagonal line, then full circle, and on the top of full circle it has a vertical line. So since it has what? 2 legs and a full circle, a diagonal line and vertical line, alphabet called P is included under group 4. Okay?